Meet Zara. Just 3 months ago, she was a struggling freelancer, barely making $300 a month and droning in unpaid bills. Every morning felt the same, coffee in one hand, anxiety in the other. She was writing blog posts for $5 each, and clients still ghosted her. Then one late night, scrolling through TikTok, she saw a video, ChatGPT can make you 10 times more valuable. At first, she thought it was a scam, but curiosity won. She opened ChatGPT for the first time and typed, "How can I make more money as a writer?" The AI didn't just answer, it gave her a blueprint. Step 1. Stop charging per word, start charging per result. Step 2. Offer premium copywriting services and use AI to make them faster. Sarah decided to test it on a real client. The client wanted a sales page. Normally, she would take 5 days. With ChatGPT, it was done in 1. She didn't just copy-paste it, she refined, styled, and added her own touch in it. The client loved it and paid her $200 instead of $20. She realized this was her new advantage. She built a new offer: I write conversion copy in 48 hours, guaranteed. Then she raised her rates to $50 an hour. Clients still said yes. Within weeks, she went from broke to fully booked. Her secret wasn't just ChatGPT, it was knowing how to use it. She used AI to brainstorm angles, draft copy, and even upsell clients. And even project took hours less and paid triple.